Question from the Modern Divorce Support Group. I'm planning on getting a divorce. I've been married for 11 years and I've been together with my husband for 16. Long story short, I've been supporting him for 5 years. I'm the sole provider. He stays home but barely cleans the house or watches the kids. He does pick the kids up most days. I have 3 girls, 3, 6, and 8, and I don't see myself supporting him forever. I just can't do it. He does work, but as a life coach, barely makes any money. I've been saving money on the side in a bank with just in my name. Do I take it out and save the cash so there's no trace? I just don't want to save all of this and he ends up getting half. I live in Texas. Any suggestions would be great. I've been through all the ups and downs. I doubt myself. I'm not even sure if I'll go through the divorce. But I do know when I tell him I'm ready, he will gaslight me and say I can't take the kids, or even ask me to let him go to therapy, or stay 5 months to get a job. I think by then it will be too late. I'm not scared anymore. The courts can decide the custody. Do you guys advise I get a lawyer? Thanks. Hi, my name is Billy Tarasio. I'm an Arizona family law attorney. And the first thing I would tell you is you owe it to your spouse to be brutally honest with them. You owe it, in my opinion. You got married, which is this huge, massive commitment. And so before you get divorced, in my opinion, you need to tell your husband, I can't do this anymore. Here is what I can live with. Here's what I can't live with. We're supposed to be partners. We need to both be on the same page with how we want to run our house and plan our future. Partners means like we're building a life together, and this is not the life that I want to build together. Ideally, you all give your spouses this information far before you file for divorce and far before you're so done that whatever changes they can make won't be good enough. Okay, so that's in an ideal world. If you're even slightly on the fence, I would really highly recommend that you do that at this point. Also, if he's willing to go to therapy, I would suggest you go to therapy. Even if it doesn't save your marriage, it's going to help you communicate because you have to restructure your family. And so if you can see a therapist that's going to help you talk through the details of how to restructure your family, that's a good thing. With regards to the money, usually we're going to find it. We, as divorce lawyers, we're going to find it. So you make a certain amount of money in a paycheck or through distributions, and we're going to be able to trace that money. We're going to find this account, and it's not worth it for you to be caught hiding money. So I would not hide it. I would recommend that you go see a divorce attorney so that you can start doing some planning now and understand what it might look like for you in Texas, whether or not what you can expect from the courts, from your local courts in terms of a divorce. So those are my 3 pieces of advice. I hope you hang in there.